Your MSP starts every statement with, well, actually, and somehow you're the one feeling dumb. Here's how it goes. You ask a simple question. Why did the server go down? And they hit you with, and you're standing there like, I just wanted to know why email stopped working. Or you ask for something simple, and they give you an audible sigh, like you've just asked them to explain quantum physics to a toddler. Some IT people use jargon as a weapon. It makes them feel smart and keeps you from asking follow up questions. Because if you don't understand the answer, you can't question whether they really fixed the problem. And honestly, some techs just lack good people skills. They're brilliant at computers, but terrible with humans, which would be fine, except you're a human paying for their service. This costs you in ways that are hard to measure. You stop asking questions because you don't want to feel stupid. So you don't understand your own systems. Then you can't make informed decisions about technology investments. And your team, they stop calling IT because every interaction feels like a lecture. Here's how IT communication should work: plain English, no jargon unless absolutely necessary, and when technical terms are needed, explain them. Your IT provider should be able to explain what happened, why it matters, and what they're doing about it in terms you understand to help you make good business decisions. And they should never, ever make you feel bad for asking questions. You're paying them, they work for you. If your IT provider talks down to you, they don't respect you. Find someone who does. Take a look at the link in the description box.